Every codebase has technical debt, and every team says they will fix it someday. Someday never comes. Claude Code gave me a way to actually pay it down without stopping feature work. Technical debt is not a moral failing, it is a trade-off that made sense once and costs you now. The goal is not zero debt, it is managing the debt that actually slows you down. Claude helps you find and fix the expensive parts. You cannot pay down what you cannot see. Ask Claude to review a subsystem and list its debt: duplicated logic, missing tests, tangled dependencies, outdated patterns. Now you have an inventory instead of a vague sense of dread. Not all debt is worth fixing. Ask Claude to rank the debt by how often you touch that code and how much it slows you down. Debt in code you never change can stay, debt in the file you edit weekly is worth fixing first. Big bang rewrites fail. Ask Claude to break a refactor into small, safe steps that each keep the tests green. Paying down debt one green commit at a time means you can stop anytime and never leave the code broken. The trick that actually works: fix the debt in the code you are already touching for a feature. Ask Claude to clean up the function you are editing anyway. This spreads the cost across normal work instead of needing a special project nobody approves. Some debt is fine forever. Ask Claude whether a piece of ugly but stable code is worth touching. If it works and you never change it, leaving it alone is the right call. Perfect is the enemy of shipped. Technical debt is manageable when you map it, prioritize by paying, and pay it down alongside features. Claude Code makes each step concrete. Subscribe for more Claude Code deep dives.